Hello my friends, welcome to Incidental Electronic channel. This is Uncle Misha. So many of you probably recognize this. This is IKEA Skadis pegboard to allow you to organize your crafts and tools very nicely, neatly. You can put something here, you can hang something here, and you have these peg holes when you can actually hook this thing up and make it very nice and neat. But there is one problem which I faced. If you use something which is tall, it's gonna take too much vertical space, which is not cool. The pegboard is has limited surface area. So in order to solve the problem that tools and things are taking too much vertical space on this IKEA pegboard, I solved it with my own design. So here we are, I'm gonna show you. So essentially I designed such a containers where you can hang something on the pegboard and they are angled outwards away from the pegboard. So, and not just that, I made them to be quite stackable, just like so. For example, these screwdrivers, otherwise if they will be located like this, they will take a lot of space. But when they are slanted outwards, all right, they are not taking that much space. And as you see, all this stuff is quite a bit stackable. Okay, we can put a lot of different containers side by side, and vertical and horizontal direction. And as you see, they are very nicely using up the vertical space. Okay, so now everything is first of all very easy to use, and also it looks neat and organized. Additionally, I have designed these tops. For example, for this particular container, I have designed this like a grid top where you can put your, for example, markers. For this container, I have designed the whole top, which very nice for something thin like a screwdriver. You can separate top from the container like this. Okay, and use it into any other container, or you can change it to something else. So I have designed several different colors, obviously, and sizes of this container. There are 3 sizes of this particular container, and there is also 2 sizes of the thinner container like this. And I have only so far these 2 for bigger containers, and smaller size for a thinner container like this. So for example, if you have 5 screwdrivers, this is going to be perfect. So I think this allows me to utilize the space on IKEA Skadis pegboard much more efficiently, and also have nice and great access to my tools. I'm going to share this on my Etsy store, and if you are interested, you can purchase different combination of containers and the tops to suit your needs. Also, you can order different colors. There's many more colors available on the going to be available on Etsy. Etsy link going to be down below. If you purchase from Etsy store, you're going to be definitely supporting the channel. If you have any comments about design and have any ideas how to improve it, I'll be happy to hear from you. But otherwise, please visit my Etsy store, like and subscribe. See you next time, and ciao.